Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify store. So here we are in the Shopify dashboard. The first thing you want to do is go to the Shopify product section. So there are two main ways to add products to Shopify. The first way is to manually create them, and the second way is to import them from AliExpress using an app such as the S's. In this video, I'm going to show you both methods. So first, we want to manually create a product. So to do that, go here and click Add Your Products. In this example, we're going to create a product listing for the boxing resistance bands. So for the title, I'm going to call it boxing resistance bands. Now I've already gone ahead and created the product description, so I'm going to copy and paste it here and walk you through it. So here's our product description for the boxing resistance bands. So first, you have the one core value proposition of purchasing the product. So in the first line, you want to be concise and give the one core reason that somebody would purchase your product. So for the boxing resistance bands, our promise for the product is if you purchase this product, you will be able to take your fighting skills to the next level. So we make a claim right in the beginning. We put our one core value proposition here. If you buy this product, you will take your fighting skills to the next level. After that, you want to follow it up with a hero paragraph that demonstrates how. You want to go into more detail about how your product fulfills on the above promise. So here, take your fighting skills to the next level. How does it do that? Resistance training plays a massive role in enhancing your speed and explosive power, as well as increasing muscle strength and burning fat. So take your fighting skills to the next level. How? By doing resistance training. So you want to have, once again, I'm repeating this to make sure you guys understand, the one core reason that somebody would buy your product, and then have a hero paragraph that demonstrates how. After that, you want to have 5 bullet points of features. So the feature of the product, it enhances your physical abilities. And then in the extra line, you want to write how it does that. So feature, benefit. The benefit is how it actually fulfills on the actual feature. The actual benefit it has to the customer's life. An example would be for an iPod has 8 gigabytes of storage. That's the feature. The benefit is you can have 1,000 songs in your pocket. So the feature is what the product does, and the benefit is how the product benefits the customer's life. So here we have the boxing resistance bands. It enhances your physical abilities. It's suitable for any training program. It protects your joints, adjustable resistance, and helps maintain your guard. And for each of these points, you want to go into more detail about how the product does that. So just for example, it enhances your physical abilities. How? The added resistance to your body movements help improve your general explosiveness, speed, and strength. That's all there is to it. You have the features, and then you want to go into more detail about how the feature benefits the customer. So if you need inspiration for your product descriptions, I'm going to show you 2 methods right now to get inspiration for your product descriptions. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type your product name in and add myshopify.com. When you do this, it will show you Shopify stores that sell the same product. So I'm going to go into here and open a few listings and see if we can get any inspiration. So the first brand, when you go into their listing, you can see they don't really have a good description. You know, they've only used the AliExpress listing, so it's not good enough. So I'm going to exit out of this one. The next one, they've also done a terrible job, so there's nothing here we can really learn from. The next site, this site looks a lot more professional. As you can see, they have very high quality professional images. So this is something that we can do on our site. And then when you go below, they have a great description here. So we can incorporate some of their copy into our own description. Next, expelt.com. This site also looks very professional. They have some very professional product images. It looks like they've ordered this product in bulk and they've added their own logo to it. So go down here and click benefits, and you can get some more ideas from their copy in here. And the final site, it looks like they're also selling it from AliExpress. So you can go into here and you can look at their product description and look for ideas to improve your own. And the next way to get ideas for your product description is to go to Amazon.com. Amazon is the largest e-commerce company in the world. It is very likely that your product or a variation of it is going to be on Amazon. So you can go to Amazon and get inspiration for your product listings. So we're going to go into here and write boxing resistance bands. And then we're going to go ahead and open up 5 to 10 listings and get ideas from there. So we're going to use this one here. This one as well. This one too. This one here. And we're going to find one more that has a lot of reviews. Now remember, the listings you find that have more reviews will be better, as a lot of people have already bought from them, so they're doing something right. And here you have a variation of the product. So it's not the exact same product, but you can get ideas from here as well. As you can see, they have over 9,000 reviews. So this is also a great listing to get ideas from. So here we are in the first product listing. This listing here has over 9,000 reviews and has a lot of orders. So you can go into here and look at their product description and get ideas. What you can also do is go to their product reviews and read through around 10 to 20 different reviews and get ideas from their copy. When you read customer reviews, you can learn what customers want, and then you can go ahead and write copy that is tailored to their needs and desires. This is a great way to get ideas for your product description. So here we are on the first listing for the boxing resistance bands. You can go into here and you can see they have 5 different bullet points here that you can learn from. You can go through and use their copy. You can go ahead and use their copy as inspiration for your own. So, there's a lot of information here that you can use. And once again, 400 plus reviews. Go into here and read each of their reviews so you can know what to write about. The next listing here, 170 reviews, and they have the exact same images from AliExpress. You can go ahead and get inspiration from their product descriptions. The next one here, 281 reviews, and they also have a great product description. So most of these have very similar descriptions, as you can see. And if we go through each of them, and you also go through your competitor sites, you will have at least 10 different sites that you can get inspiration from. So if you need inspiration, follow this method. Go to Amazon, go to Google, and find other people selling the same product and take inspiration from their copy. After that, you want to put in your product images. This is super important. Your product images are the first thing that customers see when they go to your product page. So it's very important that you go ahead and get good product photos. So I'm going to upload the product photos I have for this product right now. So here you can see our product photos for the boxing resistance bands. As you can see, they all follow one core theme. They all have a white background. They all look super professional. And this is how you want your product photos to look. They have to be very congruent. They all have to fit the same theme. If you have one image on a black background and another on a white background, it doesn't look as professional. So you need to make sure that all your product images fit the same theme. Now, to find product images, you want to find your product on AliExpress, on Amazon, and Alibaba, and you can also search online for your competitor websites. So it's very important that you get good product photos for your product. Next, you have the pricing. For example purposes, I'm going to put the price of the boxing resistance bands at $59.99. So I'm going to go here and put $59.99, and I'm going to put a compare at price at 2 times this price. So I'm going to make this $119.99. So right now, this is the price that customers see, and this price here will be crossed out. As a result, it will look like we're running a 50% discount, which will incentivize customers to buy. After that, you want to uncheck the charge tax button, then you can ignore the cost per item box. After that, for inventory, you want to put the S's, or if you're fulfilling from CJ Dropshipping or a different app, you want to put their fulfillment service in here. For SKU, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to put any number here. We're going to map the product later on in DSs anyway, so it doesn't really matter what SKU you put. After that, you want to uncheck track quantity. We're dropshipping. We don't have any stock, so we don't need to worry about the actual inventory. After that, you want to go below and you can ignore all of the shipping settings here. After that, go below, and in here, if your product has different colors and sizes, you can put them in here. So for example purposes, let's say we have 3 different colors for this product. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to put color. Let's say we have black, blue, and red, and then click done. And then let's say we also have different sizes. So go here and put in size, and let's do small, medium, and large, and then click done. So now we have all these color and size options on our product listing. And then when you go below, you can edit the price and SKU and quantity of each individual item. But for example purposes, we're going to delete all the variants. So go here and click actions and delete variants. After that's done, you want to edit the search engine listing preview. This is what customers see when they search for your product on Google. So you want to make sure the listing preview looks good. So go in here and click edit website SEO, and then in here you can edit the page title, the description, and the URL handle. So we're going to go ahead and edit the meta description. So go in here and I'm going to keep just the first line. So I'm going to delete all of this and below. After that's done, the search engine listing preview looks good. When people search for a product name into Google, this is what they're going to see. After that, go back to the top, and for product status, make sure it's set to active. If your product status is set to draft, you will not see the product on your online store. After that, for the sales channels and apps, make sure the product is available on the online store. The online store is our actual website. This is where we're going to be selling products from, so make sure your product is available on the online store. After that, You can uncheck Facebook, TikTok, SMS bump, or any other sales channel. We're going to be selling on our online store only, not on Facebook, not on TikTok. We're going to be driving traffic from Facebook and TikTok, but we're going to be selling products on our actual site. After you've done that, go below, and I'm going to add this product to our homepage collection. And then once you're done, all you have to do is click save, and the product listing should be created. So now our product listing has been created. I'm going to go ahead and find the product on AliExpress and link it to DS's. DS's is the fulfillment app we use to automate the ordering process from AliExpress. You need to make sure you map the product before getting orders so you can fulfill them. So go to apps and go to DS's, and we're going to go ahead and find a product listing for this product right now. So here we are on AliExpress. This is the product listing we're going to use to map our product. So here we are on DS's. This is the app that we use to automate the ordering process from AliExpress. So what we want to do is you want to go to My Products here and click on the product that we just created. So go below and click Mapping Page, and then go to Standard Mapping. Then go into here and import your product URL. So copy and paste the link into here and click Search. And here's our product URL. And we're going to connect color A and ships from China. Once that's done, just click Submit and click Save. And now, when somebody orders our product from our Shopify store, we can fulfill the order in DS's. The order will be fulfilled using the AliExpress link that we just imported. So now, I want to show you how to import products from AliExpress using DS's. So you can do this method if you don't want to manually create a product listing in Shopify. So here we are in the DS's dashboard. You want to go here to the import list, and then you want to click Import or Search, and then go ahead and input your product URL from AliExpress. So copy and paste it and click OK. And now, as you can see, our boxing resistance bands product is now in the import list. So next, you want to go below and click Edit, and in here, you can edit the product listing. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to call it Boxing. I'm going to call it Boxing Resistance Bands 2. And then I'm going to add it to our homepage collection. And then I'm going to go to Variants. And in here, you can choose which variants you want to publish. For example purposes, I'm only going to keep the ship from China and color A. So go here and uncheck the one you don't want to remove and click Action and click Remove SKU. Click Yes. And then we want to go ahead and set the product pricing. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to set the price to $59.99. And the compare wrap price, $119.99. After that, you want to go to the product description. In here, you can edit the product description. Remember, the AliExpress product description is not good enough. You need to make sure you edit it and create your own. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and delete it and just put TBC. So we can go in here later on and change the description. And then you want to go into images, and in here, you want to click the images that you want to upload to your store. Now, like I said, the AliExpress images here, they aren't very professional. I like the manual creation method, as you can go ahead and get product images from different suppliers. Go ahead and click Save. And now we want to go ahead and push this listing into Shopify. So go here and click Push to Shopify, and then click Also Publish to Online Store and continue selling when out of stock. And once that's done, click Push to Shopify. And now this product is being pushed to Shopify, and I'm going to go into Shopify and show you the listing that DS has created. So here we are in Shopify. As you can see, this is the product listing that DS has created. So we're going to click into it right now. In here, you can see the product title and description have been imported. The product status is set to active. The product is available on the online store. If you go below, the images we selected have been imported here. Collection page has been imported. The vendor is Fight Monk, and the price is here. And you can see that the inventory will be stocked at DS's, and they've created their own stock keeping unit. And we're going to go ahead and uncheck this. I don't like keeping the quantity in Shopify, as we don't control the inventory. When you go below, you can see, everything here has been imported properly. So once that's done, just go ahead and click Save, and the product listing has